Spain is all set for Sunday's snap general elections, and Spain's Conservative People's Party is leading the polls. The leader of the Conservative People's Party has now been accused of sexism after making an apparent reference to the Deputy Prime Minister's makeup during a campaign rally. Speaking in Madrid on Thursday, Alberto Núñez Fijo accused Yolanda Díaz, who is also the Labour Minister, of massaging Spain's employment figures, claiming that while the socialist-led coalition government was attempting to pass off workers on temporary contracts as being employees, the truth lies in the embellished employment figures. In what appeared to be a pun on the word maquillar, which can mean to apply makeup or to embellish or massage statistics, he added, "Looking at the Deputy Prime Minister, who is in charge of employment, she knows a lot about makeup. There's no doubt about that, a lot more than ever." His remarks did not go down too well and have been termed as sexist. Díaz hit back in a tweet on Thursday evening. "I'm glad you're feeling better, Mr. Fijo," she wrote. "I'd be delighted to debate you tomorrow on the employment figures and on your economic projects for Spain, whenever and wherever you want." Figo's comments followed an awkward week for the PP leader, as well as being caught out by journalists over his incorrect claims about his party's track record on pension levels. Figo has also faced renewed questions about his relationship with a well-known drug trafficker from his home region of Galicia. He then had to pause campaigning because of a bad back and opted out of a debate between party leaders on Wednesday evening. Maria Eugenia Rodriguez Palop, a Podemos MEP, said that the PP leader's remarks did not bode well for his dealings with the most senior women in Europe, such as Roberta Metsola, the President of the European Parliament, and Ursula von der Leyen, the President of the European Commission. While snap elections can often be associated with moments of national peril, the current situation in Spain is fairly positive. The Spanish economy is among the fastest growing on the continent. Its inflation dipped to 1.9% from a peak of 11% a year ago, markedly lower than 6.1% Eurozone average. Although the country's unemployment rate stands at roughly 13%, that's a substantial improvement from 26% a decade ago.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.